Assalamu alaikum, dear stars of Jannah. This episode covers one of the most emotionally challenging periods in the life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the year of sorrow and the miraculous journey of Al-Isra wal-Mi'raj. In the 10th year of prophethood, the Prophet, peace be upon him, suffered two devastating losses. His beloved wife Khadijah, radiallahu anha, the first to believe in him and his source of comfort, passed away. Soon after, his uncle Abu Talib, his protector, also died. This double tragedy left him vulnerable and heartbroken. Seeking support, the Prophet traveled to the city of Taif. Instead of offering refuge, the people mocked him and sent children to pelt him with stones. Bleeding and humiliated, he found shelter in an orchard where he made a heartfelt dua to Allah, surrendering to his will. To console and honor him, Allah gifted the Prophet with a miraculous journey. In a single night, he was taken from Masjid al-Haram in Makkah to Masjid al-Aqsa in Jerusalem, Isra, and from there he ascended to the heavens, Miraj. He met various prophets, was shown paradise and hell, and finally received the gift of Salah, 5 daily prayers. Originally, 50 prayers were prescribed, but the number was reduced to 5. Yet, Allah promised the reward of 50. This established the foundation of spiritual connection between Muslims and their Lord. Though still grieving, the Prophet, peace be upon him, returned from this journey renewed in spirit. Despite rejection on earth, he was honored in the heavens. This marked a turning point in his mission and strengthened the resolve of the early Muslims. Even in the darkest moments, Allah's mercy and miracles bring light. The year of sorrow teaches us about patience, reliance on Allah, and the spiritual importance of Salah. In episode 6, we'll witness the Prophet's journey to Yathrib, later called Medina, and the historic pledge of Aqaba that paved the way for the Hijrah. Subscribe to 5-Star Deen and follow the journey to strengthen your connection with the Seerah and the Sunnah of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.